Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to make any road sign from just a piece of picture. It can be JPG or PNG, just by using the Blender 3D modeling software. And finally, any of the road sign, it can appear in iClone 8 3D animation software. And it is really easy. I'm going to show you all this step by step on road sign 3D modeling. So start from now, I'm going to show you the step by step. Let's go. The first step, you need to have the road sign pictures. You can just go to Google Image to just search for the road sign and just get some image from there. Just one enough, and you can just close it. It should be a JPG or PNG image. This is the first step. And next, just open your Blender 4.4. This is a free software. You can download it from the Blender official site. In order to make a road sign for any 3D software, I recommend you to use the Blender. So click the empty area and press A. Press delete button to delete everything. The first step of the 3D modeling, just add a mesh, add a cube. Then this cube, you can just go to the edit mode. Alright. And if you switch back to the object mode, you can move the whole things, but you need to just determine which shape you want. Let's say if you want to have this shape, then you need to go to the edit mode to just modify it. If you just want to use the square, then it's fine. So now I go to the edit mode, and then from the edit mode, here, I click here, then click, hold the shift, and click the behind. Now two surfaces selected. Scale it up to here, then turn on the texture. So we are going to use this as the template. Now I turn on the texture. Now it shows not responding because of the material texture is loading. It depends on your computer speed, how fast it is. If you have a high-speed computer, high-spec computer, then it will be just a few seconds, maybe 1 second. So now for this normal computer, I have to wait for about 1 minute. Now just click here. This is for the material texture. The first step, just add a new material. Click add new. Then add here. Just make some metallic. Just leave it as white color. Make some metallic. Then roughness, just switch it to 0. It can be about 0.1 here, 0.1. At least some reflection of the light. Then the material, metallic, just make some value. Then next, go to the UV editing. Alright, before that, stay in layout here. The material 001, just rename it, double click it, rename as metallic. Then just add a new material. This material, just add a new material. The base color, just change it, click the yellow dot, select the image texture and open. We are going to open and upload the desktop, the road sign, in that way. Then go to the edit mode here. In the edit mode, click the new material and we rename it as road sign. Now After that, just click Assign. And next, we are going to do some editing. Go to the UV editing. Then we just want to have this surface. Click here to select just this surface. And drag it here to turn on the material. And after that, go to the object mode, click, and we are going to just make sure it is upright. Go to here, rotate it upright, -90, and just press Ctrl A or transform. Then back to the edit mode here. And now we just want to select one of the road sign. Let's say if I want to have this dead end, I can just select here and move it. And then we click this one to just select this edge, move it, make sure it is in the square, the dead end, that way. Alright, now this road sign already done. And another side, we are going to just change it back to another material. This side, click the metallic, just assign it. We just want to have this side. And here, we move it to just make it smaller. Like this. So now you have a road sign. And next, we are going to the edit mode again. Back to the layout, edit mode. And now we don't want this edge to be so big. So I may just select this edge, 1, hold the Shift 2, hold the Shift 3, and hold the Shift 4. Just press Ctrl B and you drag it. You can create some shape in that way. Click the bevel, the width, and the segment. Now it already become a road sign. It is just a board, and we are going to make a stick at behind. Back to the object mode. To make a stick, just need to go and add a mesh, add a cylinder. Just click, just press S to make sure it is at the center. Then after that, just rescale it. Rescale it. Then move it to the bottom that way. Now we are going to attach this stick on this board. So now I also want to combine together. Click and hold the Shift, click another one. Just press Ctrl J. Alright, click, hold the Shift, click, then press Ctrl J. Now it already combined to become just one. So now the pivot point is at here. I press Ctrl full stop to drag the pivot point to the bottom. Just want it to be at the bottom in that way. But do not add here. I suggest it to be here so that it can stay underground. Then press Ctrl full stop again, back to the normal mode, click here. The Z, just put it back to 0. Now it will be at here. Click. And now you just make it smaller. To make it smaller, because of in Blender, all of these are just 1 meter. The grid, all the grid are 1 meter. So it depends. Do you want to just make it as 1 meter? Alright, something like this. Now, back to the material again. The metallic. Right. For here, I go to the edit mode. This stick, I want to just make it a metal. I just press L, it gets selected. Then I click the metallic, then click assign. It is going to assign as the metal board. Now, once done already, back to the object mode. This is your Blender project file. You can just save it as a blend file. Click file, save as. On the desktop, this is a road sign template. Then click save as. And next, we are going to import into a third-party software, just a test for the iClone 8. I click File, Export, FBX. The path mode, you have to choose Copy, and here, select it. This is to make sure all of the material texture embedded inside the FBX file. Now, I click Export FBX. Now, it is an FBX file. I'm going to just name it as road sign, dead end. Alright, now we test it in iClone. Have a look. iClone is a 3D animation software. Drag and drop into the iClone. We are going to test the material. Is it everything look cool? Right, yes. So I press E to just rotate it. And have a look for other, like the metallic. This metallic is not enough. The roughness, maybe I want to just change it. The roughness. Metallic, I adjust the color. Make the brightness to be really gray. And the roughness, I make the brightness to be really bright, so that it will look like a metal. It will be better. For different software, all of this shader type dynamics, it will be different. For Blender, Renders Engine, and iClones and Unreal Engine, all are different, so you have to adjust it manually. But for the material texture, it should be the same for all the road sign. The diffuse map is at here. And now I try to see the whole effect. Now, for the iClone, this is 1 meter grid as well. 1 meter times 1 meter. Now this road sign already done. From the Blender 3D modeling into third-party software like iClone. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create a road sign, any road sign for your iClone 8 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!